Hi guys. Oh, I look kind of scary in this angle, but just got here and we have all of my stuff in the car. I still have a lot more to grab and whatnot, but Adrian is inside the apartment, so he's probably gonna help me unload these things. At least I hope. Good morning, guys. Sorry I am not vlogging on my camera today. The camera's in the parking lot and I am too lazy to go out. But my original plan was to drive up to Bellingham, my other apartment, and get some other like miscellaneous things and bring it back down here. But that didn't happen because I slept through all my alarms, which really sucks. That's okay. Right now I'm just working from this apartment today before my work is over, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll have to drive up eventually, so maybe I'll just do that. Also, there's no Wi-Fi right now, so I've just been using my phone as a hotspot, which the phone bill will not be happy. On another note though, we got the couch in and it looks really good. We have the TV and a speaker, the Wi-Fi router, a couple like miscellaneous things for the bathroom, like a trash can, toothbrush holder, some towels that will definitely need to be washed. We have a bed. This is where I slept last night. And then like the bed frame and all the slacks and everything. For our kitchen, we have like a mini fridge. This is from Adrian's apartment. Ooh, that's sharp. So we'll definitely set that up. Adrian's PC is here. It's gonna be moved into the office space. And then we have a dining table and also some dining chairs. And finally we have Adrian's little setup going on. He has his desk here and also his chair and like all his other desk things. So we're definitely gonna set that up later. Oh, and he also has like this little shelf thing, which is really convenient because I actually wanted to get something similar to this. I hope you guys have been liking this video so far, and this is like basically my last night in the apartment that's gonna be by myself, because tomorrow night is the night before the movers come in and take all the big furniture away. And I really just want to take some time to reflect on my apartment and really just have a heart-to-heart, honestly, like for like not only you guys to like get some content or anything, but mostly for myself when I look back in the future. Part of me regrets not filming enough in this apartment, because I remember when I first got here I was like, okay, I really want to film all this content, like I want to like save my room for later and like show you guys, but like here I am 2 years later never actually doing that, and I ended up just like never showing you guys my room, which finally I will once I have like my everything like situated. But it's definitely like bittersweet. And like on the other hand, I kind of enjoyed how I didn't film that much in my room, and honestly like stopped YouTube pretty much like the entire time I was here. It was just like a lot of growing, and I remember when I first moved into this apartment I was at my lowest point as far as ever right now, as far as I've been alive. And I don't think a lot of people knew that I was so low and so honestly like almost depressed. I had just gotten rejected from like the dream school that I thought I was gonna end up being at, and I ended up leaving the university that I thought I was gonna end up graduating at, and my home life wasn't really the best, to be honest, and my like personal life was not it. So to be at such a low place and then move into this apartment, I didn't think this apartment would like have taken me to learn and grow so much about myself, and it really became a home for me. At first I was like severely anxious, not only from the pandemic, I think I just developed some sort of health anxiety at the time. Like every little thing I thought that there was something wrong with me, and especially living by myself I felt like there was no one that could help me if something had happened. But over time I ended up overcoming that fear, and I really just enjoyed this place, and it really became like a home for me. So it's really sad to like leave this place, and I don't know. It's also like such a luxurious apartment. Like I don't think I'm ever gonna get ceilings this tall again. I don't think I'm ever gonna get lighting like this beautiful again. Oh my goodness, like every night when the sun sets, it's just beautiful in my apartment. It like has these amazing like orange and pink rays across like my walls, and while they were beautiful, there definitely were times when like the heat was really soaking up in this apartment, but nevertheless, at least that is what ACs are made for. And yeah, I think moral of the story is living on my own helped me grow a lot and learn a lot about myself. And if you have ever the opportunity to, or even the means to, I highly recommend it. I think for me, like I grew up with like having a sibling my entire life. I was in a sorority before this university, and I had been dating Adrian the entire time of like high school up until now. I knew we were gonna like eventually move in together, and I feel like having the chance to live by myself was one of the best things in like my life so far, and it makes me feel like a lot more confident in myself and my abilities. So like definitely try to live on your own if you can. Right now it is bittersweet to end this chapter, but I'm also so excited to move in with him. A lot of couples I spoke to within like my family, they always say like marrying is not the weird part of like changing your relationship. The weirdest like and most change is moving in together. So I'm really excited to move in with him and like begin a new chapter in my life, especially with post-graduation. Like I enjoyed how I had the time to enjoy graduating and soak in the moment and not have to worry about my lease ending. I'm actually still in my college town since my lease ends in end of August, and I graduated back in June. So it really gave me a chance to like enjoy Bellingham more and kind of explore more without worrying about school that much. And I think it's easy to say I probably would love to come back and live in Bellingham at some point in my life again. The one downside though is that there's no like Asian cuisine whatsoever. They have like Vietnamese and Thai cuisine, but it's not like the best. And there's no Chinese food, there's no Japanese food, there's no Taiwanese food, there's no Korean food. Like there's like no Asian food whatsoever here. I really grown to like this city despite my initial thoughts when I first got here 2 years ago. I remember getting rejected from the dream business school I hoped to be at. I wanted to like hate Bellingham as much as I could and not like the school. Well, the school that I went to was great and bad at the same time. Bellingham itself was like one of the best cities I've actually really enjoyed, and I again hate to really admit that, but it really became a home for me. And this apartment again is just like such a meaningful place to me, and I will always cherish it. And yeah, I don't know if I'm really making any sense right now, but I don't know, I just kind of wanted to have a little chit chat and like heart to heart for myself and maybe for you guys. And if it's anything that you could take away from this little chat, it's to definitely try to live on your own, and if not, try to just like take time for yourself, like solo dates, and like learn more about yourself, because it can definitely be a lot when you're surrounded by like friends and family and even a significant other. Just, you know, I've been dating Adrian for, oh my goodness, like almost 7 years now, and I never want to lose myself, my own personality, and my own identity by dating him for too long. And like, not that he even does right now, but I don't know, I just feel like I've learned a lot more about myself when I'm alone. Yes, a very bittersweet chapter is ending. I kind of like this like little vibe that we have going on here. I don't know if you feel the vibe, but I definitely do. Maybe in the future I'll do more of these kind of like heart-to-heart chats. Let me know. I would love to like answer questions or talk more about my personal life like this. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna put this out on the internet just because it's very vulnerable. But yeah, I'm probably gonna head to bed. It's like almost 1 o'clock and I need to be up at like 5 or 6 a.m. to keep unpacking, pre-film some more, and just go down to Seattle because I have some sort of event to go to around noon tomorrow, and it's gonna be a lot because I have to drive back up here with Adrian before the movers come in, and I haven't really packed that much. But I'm gonna procrastinate and say that's for tomorrow. All right, bye. It's too early of a time for Adrian. Good morning. I have been up since 6 a.m. panic packing, as one usually does when they procrastinate last minute. I ended up having 3 pretty big boxes that's left. Well, no, I probably have more to do, but my parents are driving up right now and they're grabbing the U-Haul truck, and we've also hired some movers to help us out getting out all like these big furniture. Not everything from my apartment is going to Adrian and I's new apartment. Some of these things are actually going to be given to my sister and her husband because they may or may not be needing furniture. I definitely will be taking my egg chair, and I hope to use my egg chair more often when I get into the new apartment. My dad is also coming with tools to help me disassemble my desk, the egg chair, and any other thing that needs to be disassembled.
There's my dad with the U-Haul truck. There he goes. Here is how everything's looking so far. I still have some jeans that are drying, but the cabinet is gone. This still kind of looks the same, but everything is gone here. The couch is gone, TV's gone, TV stand's gone, desk, rug, my bike, and then in my room, my bed is gone, my dresser is gone, the mirror back here is gone. Oh, hello, Dad. Everything else in here is gone. And my dad's just fixing up the carpet.
Yeah.
Yes. I'll take this down, I guess.
Here we go. Done.
Hello. We have officially loaded everything, and now my car is all loaded up too with some stuff. And we're driving down to, oh, you guys, I'll just hold you right here. We have officially loaded everything up into the U-Haul, also in my car, as you can see, and also in my mom's car, and we're on the way to the apartment right now. We may or may not be getting food. It's like about 12 o'clock right now, so yeah, we're probably gonna get lunch eventually. I am not gonna lie, last night was like the shittiest of shittiest nights for me. Okay, well, not like that shitty, but like pretty shitty. I drove up from Seattle to Bellingham to get like things situated before the movers come in, and by the time I got to Bellingham, I realized I left the keys to my apartment back at home in Seattle, and so like I had to call my landlord, and I had to call like maintenance to like come in around like 11 p.m. at night to like get me some keys to get into my apartment building, which like is super nice of them to do that. But like the worst part of this all right now is that we load everything into the U-Haul, and I can't find one of the keys to my apartment, which was the spare key. So I think I'm gonna get like charged quite a lot if I don't find it. So I'm high-key stressing about that. I don't know, I'm just feeling like a lot of emotions right now. One emotion is definitely stress. I remember my last like moving video, I was talking about how like I highly recommend moving ahead of time, or like try to pack as much as you can ahead of time, and I thought I did, but like I just didn't realize how much stuff I had, which is just super upsetting to me because like I thought I allocated enough time and like prepared enough, but clearly not, and I'm still stressed. Maybe that's just like what moving is, but we have about like an hour and a half drive or so until we get to our destination, and I'm gonna be listening to Emma Chamberlain's podcast, so talk to you later. Hi guys, we have arrived at the new apartment, and my dad and Adrian are driving the U-Haul right now, so we're definitely gonna unload and get something situated.
It is currently the next day. I am being quiet because Adrian is still sleeping. We have a lot of boxes that like I did not realize I had so much stuff. So I'm definitely gonna be cleaning up some things and sorting it out. I'm gonna start off with the kitchen just because like I really want the kitchen clean. Here is what the kitchen is looking like right now. I have a bunch of boxes. I guess Adrian was trying to find a bowl, so he like opened the dish box but didn't like help me put away the dishes. It's fine. And then we have like a bunch of alcohol and all that stuff. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna dive right in. Hi guys, excuse the mess with my hair, but I just completely finished vacuuming, cleaning up the place, and getting out all of my stuff. And now it's completely empty. I'll give you a show one more time what everything looks like now. Living room, completely empty. My room, completely empty. Closet, everything's gone. I am running late to a hangout. I need to do a little like walkout video to make sure I have everything recorded, just in case if they're trying to take away some of my security deposit. So I will definitely be doing that. Yeah, this is the end of this chapter in this apartment building. Honestly, I'm like done with it. Like this past couple of days have been really like stressful moving everything, and now I'm just glad that like it's over and I got all the sadness and bittersweet feeling out, and I'm honestly ready for my new chapter with Adrian. I'm gonna run because I am running pretty late, but see you soon. Licking envelopes is the most disgusting thing. And now we say goodbye.